Hello and welcome back to Wayside Car Valeting. Yes, it's been a while, but we all have to take a break at some point, don't we? Other news though, the Up GTI has had a little problem here and there. Cracked windscreen, lots of issues there where the windscreen was moved, wires cut by accident, really bad job. Won't go into the details, but it's back now and it's doing fine. Anyway, it's been a while since we've had some videos out of this channel, so this one is a special one. If you like it, do give it a like. There is a button specifically for that, and do subscribe to the channel and share it. It would be greatly appreciated. It's good to be back. Enjoy this one. Like I say, it's a special one.
So starting off straight away with citrus diluted there onto these wheels with a little bit of dwell time, and then rinsing it off just to get rid of that surface dirt as much as possible before putting the next batch of products on these wheels, which is first of all Undress for the tyres. It's Yum's dedicated tyre cleaner or tyre undresser, and then wheels, which is an iron fallout remover and wheel cleaner 2-in-1. Getting that all over these wheels. Now these wheels are carbon ceramic brakes, so there isn't much in the way of iron fallout. Layering the whole lot there with wheel foam before using all the tools, letting them dwell for a little bit. And here we go with the usual detailing brush, wheel woolies, wheel brush, wheel face brush, and then moving on to a tyre brush. And I've also got my Garage Therapy wheel mitt amongst the tools here. Always rinsing out my wheel brushes in between uses there, so as not to take any of that dirt that I've removed off the wheel back onto it. Those wheels took forever, about 4 hours later. No, not really. About 45 minutes for the wheels. So moving on to the paintwork, I started with citrus again, all around the lower parts of the car, around the bonnet, wing mirrors as you can see, bit of fly impact there, and some bird poo on bonnets and in the areas where it needs it the most. So with the citrus left to dwell on the car, I rinsed it off, and then once that was clear, it was ready to apply foam. Great product, lots of long dwell time for this one, and it really clings onto the car. In this video I was using the AVA P80 Evolution plus the premium snow foam lance kit, so all my solutions were all pre-made up in the garage before starting this car. Really great system, and still very impressed with the AVA P80. It was time then for the contact wash, and with this one I'm using the Garage Therapy wash pad, and Wash is in the bucket, 2-bucket method as usual for me. And then getting over the car, making sure I had this section done before the sun started to come round the corner, causing any areas to dry out. Luckily, I get quite a nice bit of shade in the mornings here. Using the Garage Therapies wheel mitt to get into these nooks and crannies, especially on this design of car where you've got aerodynamic sections and loads of air intakes. It provides really good use there to get those areas nice and clean. Thoroughly rinsing down the car now before we put the spray-on sealant, and that is coming up shortly. But first of all, let's look at the water behaviour, and as you can see on that bonnet, there is absolutely zero water behaviour, no protection. So, here we go with the spray-on sealant. Let me know which one you think this is. This is a fantastic product. It is very easy to use and very easy to rinse off at the end. And the shine and the protection that this gives, which you'll see in a minute, is fantastic. So comment below as to which spray-on sealant you think this is. So with all the door shuts done around the trunk, which is at the front of the car, I didn't touch the engine bay because you need about 3 different tools to get that panel off to get to the engine bay. I didn't bother with that though, so and the owner was happy with that too. Wanted to give the car a little bit of a final sparkle coat. It was a bit later on in the day, and I used Mild Deep's Flare, which is a quick ceramic spray. I find that ceramic sealants that come out, or spray sealants from foam cannons, don't give you that slickness, but I just wanted to add the slickness to the paint, and as you can see there, that cloth is sliding all over the car. I really enjoy using Mild Deep Flare. It's a very easy to use product, very quick, and gives lots of protection, lots of shine, and lots of slickness. Finally, on the tyres, it's Undress version 2. A real good product, and as you can see, gives a lovely satin finish, and also the conditioner works into the tyres. These tyres are quite well worn, so it was good to get a nice bit of conditioner onto there. For the interior, very simple really, just a quick visit by Henry Hoover. A bit of Garage Therapy's interior cleaner on the mats, and then a good old brush up, stripes on the mats, and it's all Alcantara interior, so I just used the vacuum on that, and then a bit of Garage Therapy's glass cleaner on the windows. Well, there we go. It was an absolute pleasure to work on this McLaren 570 Spider. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a like. Please do subscribe, hit that notifications bell, and do share the video. Until next time, this is Wayside Car Valeting signing out. And do check out the comments a bit later on, and we'll reveal what that spray-on sealant was in the foam cannon a bit later in the week. Cheers, team.